Hey Matthew, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for reaching out to the Facebook post, and I wanted to go ahead and make this quick video for you. Sorry I couldn't get this out to you sooner, but I did want to just go over a few things with you today. Um, and at the end of this video, if you could possibly give some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. But like I said, I don't want to take up too much of your time. So the things I want to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is made up of anything that's going to be on your front page here. Any words that you use, any photos that you use, how those photos are saved, what's behind those photos are all going to be a part of your content. Now, Google does like to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page, and within that content, you want to be able to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place these keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is going to be something that's going to be a big help in the long run. So I would definitely recommend adding more content to that front page. That way you're able to utilize specific keywords so you're more searchable on Google. Now, I did input your website into this tool that we use here. On this tool, you're able to be able to see the analytics of your website. So on here, you're able to see your trust and your strength with Google. So your trust is the DR and the strength is the UR. So that's going to be on a scale of 100. And what you want to be able to do with that is to be able to build that, but keep it as balanced as possible. Now, the next thing, you are indexing for no keywords and no backlinks. So what we want to be able to do is be able to get those keywords and those backlinks going for you as well. So I already went over what the keywords will do, but the backlinks, what they are is something that you're going to find any website linking to another website. So what these links are going to do is they're going to act like an endorsement for your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now the thing is, not all backlinks are the same. The links are not created equal. Some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the links that are more authoritative. And that will bring more power to your website. And I'll be able to show you in comparison to some people that are coming up in Google as well here in just a moment. Now, another thing I would recommend doing uh, is I'll go over this, what we call this map pack here. So I looked at Vacaville. I saw that was one of your service areas. What this does is you want to be able to get yourself onto this map pack. So when people are searching, say like auto detailing in whatever service area, this is where those businesses are going to pop up. This is going to be where you get the most people clicking on your website. Those are the ones that they see first. So another thing you want to be able to do is citations. What a citation is going to be your business name, address, and phone number, and you're going to find those in things like Yelp, uh, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau. And the more you can get your name and phone number on these directories, it's going to help you out so much when Google is looking at your business as a whole. Now, also, when you are utilizing a Google Business Profile, they give you a section. It's the About Us section. They give you 750 words to go into detail on what your business does. So you want to be able to use every single word in that About Us section. And then you can also actually take keywords that you want to rank for and place those keywords throughout. And that will also help with your relevance as well. Now, I did look at a competitor in the area, and I was able to pull up one of their pages and to see that they have quite a bit of content on their page here. And I was able to pull up their analytics. So they have 11 backlinks, and we definitely would want to be able to get you way more than 11 and be able to help you uh, pull that strength up as well. But we want to get you good, solid backlinks. Then they also are indexing for 86 keywords. So with these, we're able to see what keywords they are actually ranking for, how much people are searching for that, and how many people are actually getting for that. So we'll be able to figure out the keywords that work best for your website as well. But we also want to try to add different keywords to be able to get you ranking in the service areas that you want to be a part of. So once all of that definitely comes together, it's going to build your relevance, like I said, and you're going to have your online presence built up. So I really want to say thank you for letting me take the time to make you this video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to put my name, phone number, and email into the message that I'm going to send you. So if you ever have any questions, please let me know. I do greatly appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.